Here we are at 186 Cayenne Edward G in Dededo. In order to enter the area, you do need a key card. It is gated. It's a 2-car garage. Nice walkway. Here's the front entrance. Immediately as you enter, you see the door to the garage. And to the right, you have your dining kitchen area. A little more to your right, you have your living. Very spacious. Direct exit to the side of the house. Lots of storage in the kitchen. Got some nice appliances, dishwashers, microwave, stove, and fridge. Onto the hallway. First door right over here is more storage space. And then immediately to your right is your first bedroom with a bathroom. Right over here to the right of the hallway, you have some storage space. Move forward a bit more. You have your water heater, and you can put your washer and dryer here. And here's a second bedroom. And the guest bathroom. Third bedroom is exactly like the second bedroom. And entering the master right over here has a sliding door to the yard. Right over here we have the walk-in closet. Nice natural lighting. And your bathroom. Got a nice walk-in shower and a tub. And now we are just going to walk around the perimeter of the house. From the front door, you have this front yard. That's a sliding door to the master bedroom. And right over there is the sliding to the dining area.